Good day, kids. I am Valerie Iligan. Our topic for today is about volume of cube. But what is volume? Volume is the amount of space in a solid figure. It is measured in cubic units. Formula in solving a cube is side times side times side. We have here a cube that has a side of 7 meters. The formula in solving a cube is side times side times side. So 7 times 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is equal to 49. 49 times 7. 7 times n is equal to 73. Carry 7. 7 times 4 is equal to 28. 28 plus 7 is equal to 35. So our final answer is 353 meters. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today. Bye!